Deciding My Future is an intervention that was designed to support people to make a decision, plan for the supports needed for the decision, and then evaluate the decision. It uses a four-step process where each step is an important part of making a decision and planning for supports. The first step in deciding my future is understanding myself, where a person evaluates their values, their goals, their interests, and their supports related to the decision. Step two is evaluating my decision, where a person thinks through the complexity, the risk of the decision, and also thinks through the different options that they can decide between, as well as the possible outcomes of those different options. Step three is understanding my supports, where a person thinks through the supports needed to enact the decision that's been made. Then step four, evaluating my decision, supports the person to really analyze the decision that's been made, the outcomes of that decision, and the supports used in that process. We think deciding my future is an important support in supported decision making. And we hope that it helps people plan for and make important life decisions and plan for the supports needed for those decisions.